Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be preparing suya spice. For this recipe I need kuli, which is a dried peanut snack, and I'll be using the spices as well, which is the grain of Selim, also called Oda, and I'll be using the African Calabash nutmeg, which is called Ehu Seed as well. So for the other seasonings I'll be using for this recipe, I'll be listing everything in the description box below. So the kuli that I'm using is in large chunks. It has been well seasoned, so I prefer my kuli to be well seasoned to use it in the suya spice because it adds more flavor to the spice that I'm making. So I'm placing this in a food bag because I'm going to crush it into tiny sizes. So I'm just putting a tea towel over the bag, then just crushing it so it's easier for me to blend in the spice blender. So after crushing this is what it looks like, and I'm going to transfer this into the spice blender, and I'll be adding the Oda and the Ehu Seed to the kuli, then blending it into a very smooth powder. So for the Ehu Seed, I have already removed the shell that is around it, so it's the inner part which is edible that I'm using. So I'm putting all this in the dry blender and I'm going to blend into a smooth powder. So after blending, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to add the other seasonings, starting with the ginger powder, the white pepper, the garlic powder. Also be using the chili, but you can use cayenne pepper or the African bird's eye pepper that has been grounded into powder. And I've also added onion powder and the Bouillon cube, which is also the chicken stock powder. So I'm going to mix all of this together until it is well combined, and this is the powder that we have. This is the suya spice. But I'm not stopping here, guys. I'm going ahead to sieve the suya spice to remove any shaft that is from the spices, because the spices are quite hard. So I'm removing the shaft, and after sieving, this is the shaft that is left. So I don't need this. I'm going to trash this, and what is left behind is a very fluffy, vibrant colored suya powder or suya spice, and it's so aromatic, guys. This is your suya spice, all ready to marinate your meat, your chicken, your fish, whichever one you want to use to make suya. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please remember to click the notification bell so you keep getting my videos. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.